And you'll be the back. It would climb
with private secretaries at the back.
So this demarcation, Your Majesty.
600 million people that have access to the grid in Africa, and so we can, I mean, the key thing is to get those people off of charcoal and wood and LPG. But of course, yeah, you could power it off of the solar. And this is another cool thing we make here, is this is a wood stove, and it takes the heat. It takes that heat, turns it into powers a fan. That fan forces air into it to make it burn as clean as gas. And then it also powers also a GSM cell chip, so we can communicate real time. Again, all made here in Kenya. Yeah. And obviously with lots of support from the UK government. So yeah. And this, sorry, introducing this is Meredith. She's our head of electric finance.
Yeah, so one of the
Only electric finance, yeah.
so one of the things that through carbon project financing we're able to subsidize the cost of fuels. So an example is the $10 million investment in carbon project with University College Technology Stores. That is 1 million lives. So we generate 4 million tons of CO2 with environment and $8 million in carbon
Yeah, well, I know you both care about the climate, so like for us, there's just Cookstone's producing the same amount of greenhouse gas as the aviation sector combined. So yeah, supporting food.
I run it.
Okay.
So now we can
So you'll be over to him. Yeah. Let's all go back a bit more because he's going to look at this.
Well done, Ben.
I'm sure. This guy's blocking.
Since the birthplace, we started it nearly 20 years ago. Actually, with the help of the British government, it's now become a big business. They now reach 65. What we're doing now is thinking about the next phase of evolution where we can build digital carbon savings, and then allow buyers of carbon credits to keep the money all the way down. Yeah, end-to-end digital connectivity. The sort of thing we can do is this is a surrogate behind it. We can make it more affordable. We can do carbon funds less than move off dirty liability. That's all digital drawings. So we're hoping to get $100 million by now. Down to yes, this is me. But 15 years ago, we started with mobile money journey. It's improved with direct operation. 6 years ago, so that's it's where you the bank accounts. This one goes to the technology layer, which allows them to move. So this is a very wonderful services. But this is where we're going to tell you is now going into right next to our flight.